Hello, I'm here with a comfrey plant, and those of you that might have been inspired in making your own compost, the comfrey is known to be a brilliant compost activator, which means that when you have a lot of brown material in your compost, you want to add a lot of green material to really get it going. So my feeling is when you put these leaves into the compost heap, the leaves that have been capturing that sunlight all sunny days long will then be radiating out this warmth, and it really just stimulates the activation of the compost heap, the bubbling and the kind of cooking of it to allow for the microbes then to kind of take their homes within that space. So the comfrey, you would normally just come and pluck out a whole lot of leaves like this. You can add it just to your compost heap as it is. You can also make a very nice tea, which is really good for more mature plants. So something like this you would put in a bucket. I would suggest that you let it just kind of decompose a little bit for a few weeks in the bucket. If you cover it with water, you'll get a strong potion, but it is extremely smelly. So that you will dilute then and then add to your more maturing plants. Particularly good for plants that will produce a lot of fruit. So plants that need a lot of potassium, that needs to provide fruit really. Anyway, I like the green smell of this. Comfrey is a superb plant, but I'll tell you more about it another day.